Push the locking latches on both sides of the dust tank to release the power head assembly, then remove it. Place the power head assembly on its side, rotate the filter release knob counterclockwise, then pull the filter away from the power head assembly. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 5 screws on the filter rack. Remove the filter and water separation cup assembly. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 8 screws on the lower cover. Take the lower cover out and place it on its side. Use a T20 bit to loosen the screws securing the anti-static wire. Use a side cutter to cut the cable ties securing the wiring harness. Disconnect the 2 cables. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the terminal from the motor, then separate the lower cover from upper cover assembly. Gently pry apart the connection points on both sides to remove the self-cleaning flap. Use a PH1 to loosen the 3 screws on the manifold, then remove it. Place the new motor on the base. Pull the cables on the motor out through the openings in the manifold and align it with the holes in the housing. Use a PH1 to tighten the screws on the manifold. The recommended torque is 1.1 to 1.3 Newton meters or 0.8 to 1.0 foot-pounds. Place the spring and snap the self-cleaning flap into the hole positions in the housing. Connect the cables from electric assembly to the lower cover assembly. Make sure that the black cable is connected to the black motor cable and the red cable is connected to the red motor cable. Plug the motor terminals. Insert the screws through the holes and use a T20 bit to tighten the screws securing the anti-static wire. Use a new cable tie to fix the wire harness. Install the power head assembly. Be careful not to place the wires in a position to get trapped and pinched during the assembly. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 8 screws. The recommended torque is 1.1 to 1.3 Newton meters or 0.8 to 1.0 foot-pounds. Install the water separation cup assembly. Ensure the water separation cup is correctly oriented. Install the filter rack. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 5 screws. The recommended torque is 1.1 to 1.3 Newton meters or 0.8 to 1.0 foot-pounds. Align the position of the filter release knob with the slot in the center of the mounting bracket. Rotate the filter release knob clockwise to lock the filter into place. Turn the power head assembly upside down. Place the power head assembly on top of the dust tank and secure with the locking latches.